Tudor Pelagos 42 Black. Main specifications are: case size is 42 mm. Case material titanium and steel case with satin finish. 22 mm lug width. Case thickness is 14.3 mm. Movement type is self-winding mechanical movement with bidirectional rotor system. Caliber number is EMT 5612. Power reserve of approximately 70 hours. Waterproof up to 500 mm. Bezel, unidirectional rotatable bezel in titanium. Graduated over 60 minutes with ceramic matte black disc and graduations with white luminescent material. Bracelet, titanium bracelet with folding clasp and safety catch in steel with bracelet extension system developed and patented by Tudor. Dial black with white index.